Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do something really fun. Today we're going to make a lava shake, which is basically just, this is going to be a regular shake, but we're also going to add in our Liftoff tablet in a fun way. We're not just going to mix it in, it's going to look like lava coming up through your shake. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make a lava shake right at home. So to do that today, we're going to use, I'm going to make my favorite combination for this is what I call Savage Berry. And to do that, we're going to use the pomegranate Liftoff. We're going to use orange cream Formula 1, and we're going to use our vanilla protein drink mix. And of course, I have some ice, I have some water, and I have my blender. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to crush up this Liftoff tablet so that it dissolves and fizzes really fast and really easy. Okay. That's all crushed up. I'm just gonna put it in my glass so that it's there and ready when I'm ready for it. I'm not gonna put any water in it just yet, and I'll show you why in a sec. So I'm gonna set that aside. Now I'm gonna get my blender, and I have, my favorite combo is I put 12 of my home style ice cubes in here, and then I fill up, and I can do this with this measuring glass, or I can do it right in the jar. And then I fill it up to 12 ounces and blend it. And to me, that's the perfect texture. So I have my 12 ice cubes here. And now I'm gonna fill it to that 12 ounce mark. And you wanna put the ice in first because the ice is gonna displace the water. So you put the ice in first and then the water. And now I'm gonna put the rest of my shake stuff in the I'm also adding in a little bit of the unflavored active fiber powder. It just helps me stay fuller longer, helps with regularity, helps with a flat tummy, helps with all kinds of things. My favorite part is the flat tummy bit. Now that this is all blended up, I'm gonna take this off and set this aside. And you guys, the secret to the perfect texture, not having it too icy, but having it nice and smooth and creamy like a milkshake, is time in the blender. So make sure that you blend it long enough so that you don't hear any ice on the blades. Okay, so now I have my smashed up Liftoff down in here, and I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water, probably about 1/2 of an inch of water in the bottom of here, and it's gonna start immediately dissolving and making bubbles. I wanna try and pour my shake over that while it's still bubbling. That's my personal preference. You can totally dissolve it all the way and it's still gonna look like lava coming through it. But I'm gonna pour a little bit of water in here, let it start to bubble. You can see it bubbling and doing its thing. And now I'm gonna start pouring my shake in over it. And there you go.